What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Carvinster Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're doing the first drive in the Q50. I was about to say G37 in the Q50. Now if you guys haven't watched the last video, I'm actually tuned right now. I don't know how much power I'm making. I know I made some power though for sure, just how to let the car feel. So now we're gonna go in personal mode. Let's give it a pull. Enough, it has to, I won't get full throttle, so I heard some pops. I don't know if y'all heard it. There you go. Oh man. So yeah, I guess we got to get the oil hot enough, and then I'll get my full throttle. But so then, just gonna drive it till we hit those little back streets. I want to go over what I have with this tune as of right now, and what is the future plans with this tune. So the future plans with this tune is to get E85, which I'll probably be doing within the next couple of weeks. Right now I'm on a base tune. He didn't want to go too crazy just because we rather save that tune for E85. I just wanted to get tuned and just add a little bit more power, you know what I'm saying? And he did that, and way more responsive. So he also added the torque specs for the VR to this car, since I have the VR transmission. So I have that. He leaned out the fuel. I'm trying to think about some other stuff he did. He did a lot. I can't really remember, but I do have the burble. It's not as loud just because I have the cats on, but I don't know if you guys can hear this popping a little bit. He also took off the speed, restriction, meaning that I can go 180 in this car just fine. It won't stop at like 155 or 160 or something like that. I can keep it going if I choose to go. I also have a valet mode in this car to where if I turn it on, I'll probably show you guys that later. When I turn it on, the car won't go past 50 miles per hour, and you will lose a lot of throttle. You can't drive it fast at all. So I'll show you guys that later. And I have like this little anti-theft thing to where you have to put in a PIN number, or the correct PIN number to start it. I want to show you guys that because that's kind of like personal, some people could like get into your tune and all the other stuff. So but yeah, I do have like the little anti-theft with the kill switch, so I believe this car will be very, very, very protected now, you know what I'm saying? You better wait, and hopefully the car is warmed up to where we could do some pulls. Oh yeah, we got it now. We got the full throttle. Alright. Y'all know the famous back roads, man, where we like to tear it up. So let's see what this thing do. And I'm gonna need some more gas, boy, I ain't even gonna lie. Goodness, this car is so faster, bro. Way faster. Oh my gosh, this car is so faster. Oh my God. pop. There you go. It's kind of loud outside, so I don't know if you guys go hear it, but oh. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, can y'all hear it? Might be a little loud, y'all, but I'm trying to, y'all can hear the pops. I don't know if y'all can hear it, man. It's the wind. I don't want to, you know, mess up the mic or nothing, but bruh, this thing is so much faster, bruh. Oh, y'all hear that? Nice. Oh man, we gotta get in front of you. Get in front of you. Woo. Oh my gosh, bro. Where I'm at on gas. Crazy. Bruh. I don't know why I waited this long to get a tune. I really don't. No, well, I know why I waited this long to get a tune. Ooh. But I know why I waited this long to get a tune. The reason why I waited this long to get a tune was because I was simply scared. You know what I'm saying? I was scared of it. Oh my gosh. Y'all hear that? Oh man, that oh man, I need some art pipes now. But keep on getting distracted by the pops. But honestly, you guys, like, I'm so happy with this tune, bro. I'm glad I did it. Shout out to my boy Mo, because actually Mo put me onto the tuner. I wasn't planning on getting tuned, like, not whatsoever. And then my boy Mo, he had hit me and he was like, hey bro, you should get tuned by this guy, and you know, this and that. And I called him. Well, you know, my tuner, shout out to Eugene, you know what I'm saying? But hold on. Oh my gosh, this car is so responsive. The pops. But yeah, shout out Eugene, that's my tuner. Mo actually put me on, and he was like, hey man, you should go get tuned. And he was saying a whole bunch of positive things about him. And I'm like, you know what? Let me just call and see what's his price or whatever. And then we should start talking about the tune. And the whole thing was E85 first though. Like, I was gonna do the E85 thing. Like, I have the injectors and the fuel pump and all that to support the E85. I just couldn't do it on this time around, because I don't know if you guys watched, I believe, the first video, or did I say in the second video, but emergency popped up and I had to spend a little bit of funds for that, so I couldn't get it done this go around. So I just went with the base tune for now. But anyways, yeah, we talked about E85 and how much power it gained and how much responsive it'll be and all this other stuff. And I was like, all right, you know what, let's do it. You know what I'm saying? Just jumped the gun. I was like, you know what, let's do it. And if it wasn't for Mo, you know what I'm saying, I would have never got a tune, to be honest. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to my boy Mo. His YouTube will be in the description. Also will be popping up on the screen. So shout out to you, bro. Also shout out to my boy VQ Rail too. He always be telling me to go get a tune. Yeah, he be like, geez, you gotta tune your car. It's gonna feel different. And now I'm like, damn, all right, I need to, but I'm scared. But I did it. So shout out to him, you know what I'm saying? Because he always be mentioning me, you know, getting tunes and stuff like that. So shout out to y'all, bro. But honestly, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with this tune. It's so much funner to drive now, but I can see how much trouble I can get into with this car. Fourth gear pull. Bro, you see how fast it goes? Like no BS, y'all. Like no BS. Like it wasn't pulling as hard, bro. Like not at all. It was not pulling as hard. This thing is like crazy now. So let's input valet mode. So now you guys are gonna see that it's gonna change dramatically. Like I won't be able to speed off. Y'all see that? And this is all the way to the floor. It pops though. Hold on. It pops though. But yeah, you see that? That was all the way to the floor, and that's pretty much valet mode. Like someone get in your car, man, they can't go. They can't push it as fast. You know what I'm saying? See, all the way to the floor. Ooh, I like the pops though. Hold on, I gotta do it again just for the pops. Just for the pops. Just for the pops. Ooh! Goodness gracious. Thing sounds crazy. But yeah, that's valet mode. So like I say, you lose throttle, it don't go over 50 miles per hour, and you can't shift past third gear. Just wanted to show you guys that before I get off of here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate y'all for always watching. Y'all definitely stay tuned. Got a lot more content coming up, man. And yeah, catch you on the next video. Peace.